Hi everyone. So you can see this is snow, and a lot of people think that it's only in Cameroon, only in the southwest region of Cameroon, people are able to push cars. So this is snow, and as you can see, that's a car stuck on snow. We might have to go and give a hand push to take off that car, even though it has winter tires. Yes, this is Canada for real. Have some fun. Yeah, have some fun. Have some fun. This is snow. Whoosh. Yeah. This is snow for real. Snow for real. Let's see. Our cars are all covered. Yeah. That's the car there. It's trying to pull out. Trying to pull out. There you go. That's the car. That's it there. Yeah. That's the car.